Good morning, Bulldog students and families. Today is Tuesday, February 9th. Please stand for the flag salute.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Just a reminder, you can still pre-order your yearbook for this year. You can order your yearbook online by scanning the QR code or by going to the LifeTouch website. The link can be easily found on our Palla Student Apps page for easy access. You can also order and pay for your yearbook in the Palla office. Pre-sale yearbooks will cost $20. This will be a year to remember, so order your yearbooks today. And now for our weekly news segment, Palla Pause Shoutouts. Remember, each week, teachers will be sending a shout out to students that are showing their pause for a specific expectation. Last week, we focused on the A for Achieve Your Goals by completing all of your required minutes on apps such as Lexia or Freckle. Here are the students from each class that earned an award. Our Bulldog Shoutouts. The focus, achieve your goals by completing all your required minutes on programs such as Lexia and Freckle. Our pre-K shoutouts. TK shoutouts. Awesome job completing your work. Kindergarten shoutouts. First grade shoutouts. Great job achieving your goals with app completion. Second grade shoutouts for app completion. Third grade. Students that met their goal on Lexia, Freckle, and or that quiz. Good job, third grade students. Fourth grade student shoutouts. Great job. Finally, our fifth grade shoutouts. You are superstars for meeting your Freckle and Lexia goals. This week, every grade level will be focusing on an expectation that is specific to the grade. Ask your teacher today how you can be recognized in next week's shoutouts. Remember that you can pick up your special shoutout prize in our Palla office any day of the week between 7:30 to 4 o'clock. We will find out next week who our outstanding students are. Stay tuned. This Friday, we will have a special assembly for all of our students. In order to attend the assembly, you must be present on Friday morning. Your teacher will share the special Zoom link with you so you can attend virtually. You don't want to miss out on this magical special event. Next Monday, February 15th, there will not be any school due to the President's Day holiday. We will see you back here on Tuesday, February 16th. Finally, please be sure to take a look at our Palla website for some great learning resources. Click subscribe below and follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Bye for now, and remember, stay safe and have a Palla positive day.